Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Guys, if you have this kind of banana, don't throw it away. You can use it for a different recipe. So today I am going to show you guys how I made use of this banana that is looking so ripe. I will go ahead and start showing you guys how I'm going to use the banana. In the first place, I'm going to mash it up, make sure it is smooth. Though the banana look overripe, but I can see that it is still very strong to mash. So keep mashing it until they are smooth to the texture that you want it to be. So for this recipe, you don't really need to add sugar to it because banana is already sweet. So I will go ahead and add 2 eggs to the mashed banana. You have to mix up your egg with the banana and make sure everything is well combined. So with this recipe, instead of adding milk, I'm going to use 2% yogurt, fat-free coconut yogurt. That is what I'm going to use. I just pour the coconut in the combination of the banana and the egg, and I am mixing it up. It looks very fluffy. You can tell how fluffy it's looking. All I use there is coconut yogurt. I just want to try this out. I've never used it before. Make sure you mix it very well. You guys know that I am making pancake. So this is banana pancake. Make sure everything has combined together. So I'm going to add a cup full of flour. Then I have to mix it properly. Mix it very well so that they will all combine together like it's supposed to be. When you feel that it's too thick, you just add a little bit of water because you don't want to make a running pancake. So if you feel that it's too thick, you add a little bit of water or milk. I am going to leave mine like this. Now my pan is ready and I just sprayed the oil on the pan, and I have to start scooping in the pancake. Look for a cup of your size that you are going to use. You keep scooping it in as they are getting cooked. You take it out and you add more. I did this multiple times. If you want it to have this golden color, you go ahead and do it. It depends on the color that you want it to be, as long as it is cooked. So you have to work on it with a low heat. So now the pancake is ready. This is banana pancake. I was going to throw the banana away, but an idea came to me and I decided to make it in form of pancake. So guys, thank you all for watching my video. I do appreciate. Please feel free to like, share and subscribe. Okay guys, God bless till I see you all in my next video. Bye bye.